Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. In this video, we'll be continuing our discussion on the regulatory bodies. The first body is the Inland Waterways Authority of India. Inland Waterways Authority of India was set up under the IWAI Act of 1985 and it is headquartered at Noida, UP. India has an extensive network of inland waterways in the form of rivers, canals, backwaters and creeks, and the total navigable length of the inland waterways is about 14,500 kilometers. The cost of transportation of goods through waterways is way cheaper than the road and the aircrafts. The main aim of the inland waterway body is not regulation, rather facilitation in building necessary infrastructure in waterways, surveying of economic feasibility of new projects. It is currently under the Ministry of Shipping. Currently, 111 national waterways have been identified by the Government of India for the purpose of development of inland water transport, and this has been recognized as per the National Waterways Act of 2016. From the prelims point of view, some of the national waterways are important. That is National Waterway 1, which connects Allahabad in UP to Haldia in West Bengal, and this project is also funded by the World Bank. It is on the river Ganga. And the National Waterway 2 connects Sadia and Dhubri. It is on the river Brahmaputra. And the National Waterway 3 connects Calicut and Kollam in Kerala. The National Waterway 4 connects places like Kakinada and Puducherry in Andhra Pradesh. The second body is the Central Groundwater Authority. It is a regulatory body constituted under the Environment Protection Act of 1986 for the purpose of regulation and control of groundwater deployment and management in the country. It also has a mandate to conduct mass awareness and water management training programs in the whole of India. The third body is the Dgca, that is Director General of Civil Aviation. It is under the Ministry of Civil Aviation and it is a regulatory body in the field of civil aviation in India. It is headquartered at Delhi. The main mandate of the Dgca is to regulation of the air transport services to and from India and also within India. It provides licenses to pilots, aircraft maintenance engineers and monitoring of flight crew standards. It helps in the registration of civil aircraft and also licensing of aerodromes and air carriers. It also helps in the safety oversight and surveillance of air carriers. Recently, the notification for drone regulation has come into picture. Therefore, person who want to operate the drone has to obtain a license given by the Dgca. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding regulatory bodies. India ratified the Tokyo Convention on Offences and other acts committed in aircraft. Atal Bhujal Yojana is a central sector scheme by the Ministry of Jal Shakti where 50% of the funds are shared by World Bank. The correct answer is both. C. India has ratified the Tokyo Convention and the rules regarding the Tokyo Convention are released by the Dgca. And Atal Bhujal Yojana is a central sector scheme which is under the Jal Shakti Ministry. Thank you.